The MB Network with Dee's Fodder.
Hey, it's me, Dee. Welcome to the MB Network. We're doing something a little different today. You see, I love Japan. I really do. I love their furnishings, their food. I love the history. I remember learning how to do an ancient tea ceremony that they used to do and serving tea, and it's so beautiful, and how it just takes in all four of the elements and you intertwine. It's beautiful. It really is. But I really do have a little soft spot here for Japan, and I got to thinking, I see people getting all these snack bags and treats. So my friend Jackie, a nerdy crafter, she was sponsored by them, if I remember correctly, and I hit her little link to get a discount, and I got their Sakura lucky bag. Now this bag is sold out. I was supposed to get over $100 worth of plushies, Kit Kat, toys, Pokey. Is it Pokey, Pocky? Just a ton of stuff. And I was like, well, I want the bag. I love Sakura. I do. So I was like, hey, I got this. And I ordered this like months ago, and this has been sitting here for a few weeks. And my kids are like, aren't you going to unbox it yet, Mom? We want to get into it. So we're going to get into Sugoi. I'm butchering that, aren't I? Mart's lucky bag. They do have another lucky bag that's it's available right now. It's not as I think it only has like $60 worth of stuff, but it's also cheaper to buy. So they take that into account. Oh no, it's a $40 value. Okay, so this was $100. This was a special lucky bag. They do also have crates or boxes where you can get lots of, all sorts of ramen noodles or different drinks. I'm supposed to have some kind of drinks in here from Japan, and I'm going to try and taste some of the stuff on camera with y'all. You feeling me for this, And, yeah. Without further ado, let's learn a little about this lucky bag. All right. So what this bag promised me was $100 worth of, the market retail price of products that would include plushies, snacks, drinks, home goods, toys and games, stationery items, bath bombs, daily care, beauty, and cosmetic items. Now, there was an opportunity to maybe win a Sakura coffee machine, but I think that's all. It's not available, I don't think, anymore. Or maybe it's still going on. I just have to hashtag and put it on Instagram, which I may do. This bag had sold originally for $60. Like I said, I did not get that. I got a discounted price, fortunately, through someone's sponsor link. So that was really nice. And I am supposed to get the Sakura Kit Kats in here. I've really been wanting to try those. I love Kit Kat, and so I was like, ooh, this one sounds nice. So let's bust this bitch open and see what I got. I don't know if you can see in here, but look at this. There's a lot. This bag actually did come in a box, but I recycled the box, so it's gone. And I'm definitely going to be using this bag for groceries. So, the first thing, yes! Bunch And there's a bag full of them. So everybody gets Kit Kats. And I can't read Japanese, so I'm not going to be able to tell you much about these things. So this should be interesting. Right? We're just... Okay, so this looks like makeup bag or gadget bag. It's super cute. Is that a snowflake? No, it's supposed to be a sakura flower. Cherry blossoms. Let's see. I want to open this up. Bear with me, folks. Oh, I'm out of my lighting, aren't I? Sorry. Now you can see me. I can't. I didn't open this proper. I didn't cut it down enough. I was too afraid to cut the bag. Alright, so it's like a neoprene. Whew! But it's so cute. Isn't that? It's a little... It's so adorbs. Okay, what is this? This, okay, I think is a face mask. Yes. This is a face mask. Of course, it should be Sakura themed. Oh, it's a matcha essence mask with camellia flower oil. Nice! I can't wait to try this. Okay, and what is this? Oh, sweet Sakura tea. It's roasted green tea with the cherry blossom. I gotta see this. Right? Dun, dun, dun. I'm gonna pop this open. I love teas. Hot tea, iced tea. You know, we have a hot tea maker and an iced tea maker. Okay, so it's just in here. Oh, wow. Several baggies. Can't really smell anything, and it's sealed in there pretty tight. Oh, you know what? I'm going to make me a cup of tea today, so I'm just going to pop this open. Oh, if you could smell this. Oh, this is so good. Oh, my goodness. Beautiful scent, fragrance. Okay. Oh, my gosh, it's a kitten. Oh, plushie. Meow, 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 meow. This is adorable, folks. A little change purse. People are gonna fight for this in my family. I just know it. Now, this is candy or a bubble gum, maybe? I don't know. Let's open it up. Let me just, I'm going to be brave, folks. I have no idea what I'm putting in my mouth. It looks really cute, though, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Oh, okay. It's like a hard candy. Not a flavor I was expecting. It's savory. It's like... And then it turns sweet. I don't know what I'm eating. Flavors it, but I like it. It's a whole weird mix of flavors. Anybody knows what this is? Please let me know. Oh. Looks like I can taste the floralness in it too. Oh. Cute little piggy. Cute little piggy. A sticker. Okay. This is an energy drink for a Sakura reason. I don't drink energy drinks. I do not like any energy drinks at all. But I have a house full of people who do. So, I'll leave that for them. Sakura bath powder. Oh, oh my gosh. I'm thinking maybe I should go into a bath today and sprinkle that in. Yes. Oh, wow. These are chewy ones. I'm still sucking on the other one. I'm going to take it out of my mouth so I can try something else, right? I have no idea what I'm going to... It almost looks like dried fruit. Almost. A gummy kind of thing. Let's see here. Probably Sakura flavor. I think that's what that other thing was too. Okay. Mm. Mm. Is that a fig in there? I think I like figs, so this is very good. Okay, these are good. Oh, there's little flowers in here. How cute. Chopsticks. I don't know what happened to all my sets of chopsticks here at home. They just all poof. And a journal. See? This is actually really cute. That was fun. Let me wrap things up and let you know what I thought. All right, here are my final thoughts and wrap this up. What do I think of this lucky bag? I never gotten one of these before. I've always wanted to. I like it. I don't know if I really got my money's worth, but I think with the there's just so much. There's such a variety that I appreciated, and it's getting to know a little bit about another country. And I think, for my kids, they can get an experience of other places around the world. Like right now, we can't travel at all. We can, travel's been out, COVID. But this is, I've been doing virtual tours for their homeschooling of all sorts of different museums and different locations around the world. And this would just bring a little bit of that into home. And they can just get some flavors and tastes and kind of see what people in other parts of the world are into, what they like, and see what commonalities we do have, and see what we can appreciate from somebody else and a totally different culture. I think that's important. It's learning what and appreciating them and what they are, them as a people, and getting to just kind of know what it's like. It's fun. I'm going to have a lot of fun using this with my kids. We're probably going to get into it this afternoon or tomorrow. And I'm like, I got so much to do today. But tomorrow, I think I'm probably going to get into this, which would be Tuesday. And I don't know when this video is going to go up. This is just one of those little freebie things. Hey, I got this funky thing and I thought I'd try it out. I don't know if people are going to want to watch this video. But if you like something like this and you want to see more just exotic things that I would order from all around the world, please let me know. Comment down below. Please subscribe to this channel. Yes, I will always have at least 4 days of videos in a week. Unless, something is stated, I am gone or illness or whatever. Like last week, I did miss Saturday's True Crime Tarot, and I do apologize. I was in the midst of recovering from my COVID shot, and at the same time, I was also going to have my birthday cut the next day, and I wasn't feeling well enough to do a tarot reading. I was just so lagged and so tired. It wouldn't have been right for me to try and do a tarot reading. I just know, I'm going to be in the right mindset here. So with all that, please hit the notification bell so you know when those videos pop up and come on, and on any bonus days. But you always get Tuesdays an unboxing of something, Wednesdays True Crime Tarot, maybe paranormal. Why today? This is like second time I've started paranormal. And Friday is another unboxing or review of products and items, and then a Saturday is another True Crime Tarot. I will be posting a poll on the community page. Keep looking at those. Your votes, your comments do help me know what to do a reading up. I'm going to be doing a reading that I didn't do in a poll, but it was suggested from the poll, and at first I went, but you know what? We've gone down those cringy, and unfortunately, a lot of unsolved mysteries or crime that happens. It's bad. right? That's why I like to do these other videos, because I gotta balance out my energy here and do more light and happy, fun things. You know what I mean? Saying, you get me, right? Yeah, you do. Hey, folks, please be kind to yourself. Promise me to be kind to yourself, to do something for you today, and be kind to others. It will go a long way. I promise you that. And I love you. And I will see you next time here on the MB Network. Bye.